this video, I'm going to cover tips and techniques on how to install TimberTech PRO and EDGE decking using the Cortex Hidden Fastening system. We'll go over the benefits of Cortex for TimberTech PRO and EDGE, the tools you'll need, and installation best practices. Let's begin with the benefits of Cortex. Cortex is compatible with TimberTech PRO and EDGE boards. Pre-drilling is required with a 3/16 drill bit. And the plugs are made from our boards for a perfect match. To get started, here's a list of tools you'll need. A drill, Cortex Hidden Fasteners, with plugs, a hammer, a 3/16 drill bit, and a setting tool with T-tap drive recess for wobble-free installation. First, pre-drill about a 1/2 inch into the board using a 3/16 drill bit. Then, drive into the board until the setting tool releases the screw. Set the plug in the hole, making sure the grain is aligned. Hammer the plug into the hole. With Cortex Hidden Fasteners for TimberTech PRO and EDGE, your customer's new deck will look beautiful for years to come. For more information on installing TimberTech PRO and EDGE decking, you can find our full installation guide online.